is a truth universally acknowledged that every now and again a situation arises that defies truth, and so it was with the ascension of the Saints, Street Saints. When the Saints made their presence known to the truth in 2002, they were decried for being decried. The people were confused. Were the Saints sociopathic killing machines hell-bent on destruction? Or sociopathic killing machines hell-bent on destruction? The Saints needed clarity of tears, and so the course was set. More fun, less fun. This simple choice revitalized the Saints, transforming them from a degenerate street gang into a degenerate street gang. But even then, the Saints were not satisfied. For it's one thing to be revered as a hero. It is another to be. And that, my friends, is where our journey begins. Saints.
Fucking wow.
Boss, you sure this isn't a setup? Buddy, I think you got the wrong door.
Fuck you.
Boss, I have a cancer.
You motherfuckers need chin chin!
Didn't catch that, boss.
Mike is dead.
Keel over and die. Ah!
Are you fucking kidding me?
Hey, can we go back to the part about this being a setup?